Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of May planting for Zone 7. If you're in Zone 7 like me, you know this month is all about enjoying those longer days and warmer temperatures to get our gardens thriving. I'm excited to share with you what to plant this May for a successful garden that will bring joy all season long. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about some of the delicious veggies you can get started with in May. This is prime time to plant warm season crops that love the rising temperatures and ample sunshine. One of my favorites for this month is tomatoes. Who doesn't love juicy, homegrown tomatoes? They thrive in the warmth, so let's get those seedlings in the ground, or start them from seeds if you haven't already. Remember to choose varieties that do well in your area, and don't forget to provide them with support as they grow. Next on our list are peppers. Sweet peppers, spicy peppers, take your pick. Now's the time to sow these beauties for a bountiful harvest later in the summer. Moving on from veggies, let's talk about herbs. Fresh herbs can elevate any dish, and May is perfect for planting them. Basil, parsley, cilantro, these all thrive in the warmer weather. You can sow them directly in your garden, or start them indoors and transplant them outside once they're established. Herbs not only taste amazing, but also attract beneficial insects to your garden, which is a win-win for any gardener. Now, let's shift our focus to flowers. May is a fantastic time to add color and vibrancy to your garden, with flowering annuals and perennials. Zinnias, marigolds, and cosmos are excellent choices for a burst of color throughout the season. Don't forget about perennial favorites like daylilies and coneflowers. These hardy plants will come back year after year, bringing joy to your garden and attracting pollinators. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some essential gardening tasks for May in Zone 7. With the warmer weather, your garden will appreciate a good watering routine. Aim for deep, infrequent watering to encourage strong root growth. Mulching around your plants will help retain moisture and suppress weeds, giving your garden that neat and tidy look. And of course, keep an eye out for any pests or diseases that might pop up, so you can address them early and keep your plants healthy. Lastly, take some time to enjoy your garden this May. Whether it's sipping lemonade on a sunny afternoon or admiring the fruits of your labor, gardening is all about connecting with nature and reaping the rewards of your hard work. That's it for today's guide to May planting in Zone 7. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring for your own gardening adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone. See you next time.